After 18 days, my mango seed has rooted. Look at that. Look at that. Coming right out of the seed. Okay. Time to put it in some soil. I wrapped it up in a paper towel, damp paper towel, and put it in a Ziploc bag. And look what has happened. Okay, it's time to grow us a mango tree. Yes. It's time to check on my mango seeds one more time before I get ready to put it in the soil. Yes. Okay. This one right here, the last time I looked at it, it had sprouted out and got some roots growing on it. Let's check and see what you're doing. Ah, look at this. Oh, it's really sprouting out now. Got a longer root growing and has something growing out of the middle there. Oh, where the vining leaves are gonna come out. Okay, looking nice. Ready to put you in some soil for sure. Okay, on this one, I see a little root has formed on it too coming out. It's not as long as the other one, but it's soon gonna be ready to get in the soil as well. Okay. Okay, growing mangoes from seed. Getting ready to put them in some soil today. Yes. Okay, it's time to put the mangoes into the soil. Yes. I have 2 pots ready here to plant each one of the mango seeds in. I know it's going to take a long time before I ever see any fruit coming from this mango. But when it does show its face, I'm going to enjoy eating it because I know it was grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay. Okay, mango. Try to get your root under this soil here. I see some people, they stand it up a little bit, and some people just lay it flat. I'm gonna stand it up like that so it's gonna grow straight up. And I'm just gonna cover it with the soil. And water it in and watch it grow. Okay, one down, one more to go. Okay, this one here started out with its little roots a little bit. And then get it down in the soil lamp. Cover it up. Water it in. Let's wait for them to grow for us. Growing mango trees from seed. Okay, I have sowed my mango seeds that I got from store-bought mangoes. Now all I'm gonna have to do is just wait and see it grow. Let's see your journey, mango tree, grow for us.